Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, I am so happy that all of you are working so hard for your coming exams, and by seeing your responses we can make out that really you are working hard. And in mock test 1, around 7 minutes those 36 valid entries were over, and in mock test 2 only in 2.5 minutes we got the 36 valid entries. Children, many of you write the comment that I was not able to submit because of some network issue or some time or some other problem, and you send me that solution through mail. Children, please understand that it is not possible for me to check so many answer scripts, and that too when I don't have the physical copy I have to check on system. So really it is very difficult, but for that I am releasing the solutions for each and every mock test. You are requested to check your answers, you can verify your answers with that, and in case you have any problem in any particular question, please do comment. I will be able to answer one or two comments like that for each one of you, but not able to check the entire sheets, because 36 also when I am checking, literally I have to give a lot of time, and for review session also the time is utilized. So I want to check for each and every one of you, but children, please try to understand it is not possible for me. Children, I hope you will understand and you will cooperate, and you will be the best judge to evaluate your answer script yourself by the solution which I will be giving. Now children, before I tell you what were the common mistakes which were there for those 36 entries which I checked for mock test 1, I want to tell you the submission process once again, because many of you are finding it difficult while submitting the answer paper for the mock test. Still we have mock test 3 and mock test 4 left. Now children, when you complete the paper, by one you must complete the paper, and after that you make your PDF. Many of you comment that do we have to make the PDF while submitting? No, you just make one single PDF, and on each page you should have your page numbers should be there, so that you also know when you are submitting your PDF is ready, and you can just cross check that whether your PDF is okay or not. And that is why this half an hour time is given to make the PDF and be ready at the time of submission, that is exactly at 1:30. Children, I am so sorry, I will not be able to take more entries than 36. When you will click on the submission link, there you have to enter your name and your mail ID, and obviously you have to add the PDF file which you have created of your answer paper. Children, here also one thing I want to remind you that please check your mail ID which you are submitting to us. In the previous mock test also, when we tried to send the mail to that mail ID, the mail was bounced so many times. So please check your mail ID, just read it before you submit it, okay? The solution for mock test 1 is in the PDF form. The link is there in the description box. Please check that link along with the question paper link, right? Both the links are there, the question paper link as well as the solution link. While reviewing those 36 entries, the common mistakes which I reviewed, I am going to tell you so that you don't make any mistakes. First of all, children, whenever we are using any keyword or reserved word, it has to be in the correct case. If it is in lowercase, it has to be in lowercase. If it is in uppercase, it has to be in uppercase. The very common mistake was there, especially for break and continue, where you have to write the difference for break and continue. Children wrote like this: for this and for break, capital B was written. Please children, please avoid writing this. The second common mistake was that few of you forget to put semicolon at the end of the statement. So don't miss that semicolon. Wherever it is required, it has to be there. And where the question was there, write the prototype. In prototype, semicolon never comes. That is the first line of your function definition. So semicolon is never there. Many children have used semicolon at the end of that prototype, right? So these few common mistakes are there which you should not repeat. Then in the programming, the first program, if you check, it was you have to input the monthly salary and the income tax should be calculated according to annual salary. and many of you have entered monthly salary, and depending upon monthly salary only you have given the calculation for income tax. So annual salary has to be calculated based on monthly salary. So you have to write annual salary equals to monthly salary multiplied by 12. This has to be there, and depending upon annual salary the further calculation will take place, right? One more common mistake was that for writing boolean value, all of you know the answer, that if answer is false you write like this, false. Children, we don't have any boolean constant false starting with capital F. So children, whenever you write any boolean value, please write it in small. Boolean true and boolean false should be in small case only, in lower case only, please. These are the very small mistakes, and unknowingly you do. You think that you have done everything correct, and these mistakes are done unknowingly. Children, we are in habit of writing in English always, and we start the first letter of the sentence with capital, and that only, since we are in habit of that, so we write false, F-A-L. False is the return data type. So that should not be there. So children, if you will practice a lot, these things will not be repeated. You will not do such type of errors. Then there was one question where you have to give the output, where it was math.floor and one value was there within the bracket. Children, the answer for that was 0.0, and many of you wrote the answer as 0. Since floor function gives the value always in double type, so even if it is 0, you have to write 0.0. So children, these are few common mistakes. Please check the solutions PDF link which is there in the description box, and it's my request to check your answers yourself. If you have written the answer paper with blue pen, please take out your black or red or green pen and then just make a circle where that mistake is there and write there the correct answer, right? If you have written with black, take some other color pen. So like this, it will be very prominent that where you have done the mistakes, and please, mistakes are done only once. Mistakes should not be repeated. That is why these mock tests are there. Children, at least you are getting the test papers and the solutions. So even if you are not able to submit your answer paper for the review session, don't feel sad. Obviously, I have to be fair. Whosoever has submitted first, I have to take those entries only. And while submitting the entries, one thing more, here this time one child has submitted only section A answers, so that was also, unfortunately, we have to discard that because being an invalid entry. Children, one question I can understand that you don't know, you have not done, but you should try to write all the answers. The maximum answers should be given, right? So please check the solutions link, and that's all for today. I will try to give the solutions for mock test 2 as soon as possible, and still we have left with mock test 3 and mock test 4. I know all of you are doing very nicely and you are ready for your board exams, and my best wishes are with each one of you. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing, keep solving. God bless you, children.